Roads are the things that connect us. The smoother they are, the better the connection. And the closer you get to a problem, the easier it is to see its impact. A pothole is not only unsightly, it's dangerous and costly. The first sign of weakness in a road can grow in size and cost exponentially more to fix. Investing in Aquaphalt the first time a hole appears saves time, money, and headaches. It's the only pre-mixed permanent repair material that begins hardening right away and is cured by the next day. And Aquaphalt has unmatched durability combined with all-season application ability. Not only is Aquaphalt easy to use even in wet and cold conditions, but no special preparation is required. That means no large crews, no heavy equipment, just pour water and tamp. Aquaphalt is completely environmentally friendly. Its green binder reacts and hardens with only water, working with nature rather than contaminating it with harmful VOCs. In nationwide field test after field test, it's the only one-time fix with true staying power. Aquaphalt is the only cold patch backed by a 3-year warranty. And roads can open immediately to traffic. Aquaphalt can be applied on a frigid winter day with below freezing temperatures or a hot summer day with the same pave-strong result. Where there's a road, there's a way. A better way. Aquaphalt. The road ahead just got a lot smoother.